Hello lovelies. I was planning to go a bit further afield over the Easter weekend, but I did my back in. So instead, I invite you to join us for a bit of slow living around the wagon in the woodland. The weather's a bit moody. We've apparently got Storm Dave going on at the moment. Don't know who came up with that name, but we're going to set out for an easy wander anyway. No, come on out of there. The lovely flowers of the greater periwinkle. It's had a variety of uses over the years, including some medicinal and practical, including some basket making. Some may know it as sorcerer's violet, where it was used in rituals of protection against evil spirits and as a symbol of remembrance. I'm just gathering a few of these ramson flower heads to use for my meal tonight. This is a nice find, bit of wood sorrel, a very zesty, lemony flavour. But it's very high in oxalic acid, so you've got to eat it in moderation. That's a nice spruce cone. That'll smell good on the embers. Well, it's blustery but bright, and I'm enjoying this gentle amble. And this bit of gentle exercise is doing my back a power of good. I think it's time to start wending our way back to the wagon now. Have a nice cuppa. Nice to have a bit of shelter from the wind. It's a really simple cookie to make. Honey and oats. It tastes yummy, and you can add extra things if you want to. You can add ginger, cinnamon, put what you like in there really to the basic recipe. So if you're interested, I'll put the recipe in the description box. Honey and oats, just right for spring, and a very suitable offering to the good folk, I might tell you. I do like a bit of honey. Just making myself a handy bowl from a coconut shell. I know they're not native to England, but they are what I call a good bargain if you like coconut. You get to eat the contents and then use the shell. Perfect. This is a great size for a cereal bowl or a bowl for a bit of foraging or even a drink. I've just made a little hawthorn knob with a ridge round it that sticks through the hole. Lovely. Hey up. Fizzy is getting it on. Well, he's trying to. I feel I should stop filming. Oh, he's showing off now. Off he struts. A great way to honour the spring is to eat the fresh spring greens, like these nettle tops. I'm just going to add to my salmon dinner. Give them a little rinse. Got a bit of broccoli to add to that. And I'm making up some polenta. Let that thicken up a bit. So I'm just going in with a bit of butter. Just going to get these ramson buds going. Wow, they smell really strong of garlic. It'll be good. And I'm going to whack some mushrooms in there before the fish goes in. So the salmon's gone in with a little bit of my trusty Old Bay seasoning. She's nearly ready to go. Just finishing off my nettles. I get them a little bit crispy. They're a bit like seaweed then. Just nice. A little bit of a nutty bite over your food. Ta-da! Bon appetit! And you've got to have a hot cross bun at Easter, haven't you? Yummy. Mm-mm. The wind's completely dropped now. Really calm and still. Very nice. Oh, the bats are flying. Time to go inward soon then. Good morning. We're having a brie and bacon butty. And we get a bit saucy with it too. Time to clean my pan out. I find a great way to clean metal and grease off of things is to use wood ash. Give it a coat of the ash, rub it round with a bit of kitchen towel or a damp rag, rinse it out. And jobs are good and nice and clean and free of grease. Ah, here's Mr. and Mrs. Fuzzy. Hope they're going to behave themselves this morning. We're off to gather up a bit of wood. There's plenty of it lying around. That's a good start. Nice bag full of ash. This lichen is good for tinder. It takes a spark well when it's nice and dry. And it grows very well on the blackthorn here. There's a magical little path, little animal track going up through the woods there, past a big old tree, winding up through the woodland. Can almost hear those bluebells tinkling. We're up in one of my favourite secret sitting places. Beautiful view over the top of the blackthorn. Well, that's going to be more than enough for me to carry. So, drag that back. Amen. Phew. That was pretty heavy. But that'll keep us going for a bit. And there's plenty more. That's the maximum load for me. I had to carry in one go. Whew. Pretty warm. Over 60. spring is the sound of bird song and lawnmowers, chainsaws, people getting things done. It's a time of action. But I don't feel like doing any action much today. Fetched me wood. Got a few little chores to do, which can wait for a while. Just going to sit and enjoy this warm sun. Beauty. Look at that sky. I think we're just going to chill out now and enjoy this peaceful afternoon. This is my creative offering to Eostra, my spring hair. Well, that's about it from us. We'll be turning in for the night soon. I hope you enjoyed joining us round the fire and amongst the woodland flowers. If you did enjoy it, give us a thumbs up and maybe consider subscribing. Good night. I hope to see you in the next one.